So, good morning, class. So, once again, my name is Teacher Jun Rose. Okay, so before we start, let us pray, and after that, I will check your attendance. So, who wants to lead our opening prayer? Yes, Lara. Okay. Okay, thank you. So now I will check your attendance. So, if I call your name, kindly raise your right hand. Okay. Okay. So, very good. No one is absent today. So, let's proceed to our objectives. So, here's are the objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, the pupils will be able to first visualize addition of numbers using picture and real objects. Letter B, participate actively in the pictures of the lesson. Letter C, so add 1-2-digit numbers with the sums up to 18 using the order and zero properties of addition. So I have here a picture of different equation in addition. So but before that, what are the standards in answering the question properly? Yes, Alvi. Yes, very good. If you want to answer, kindly raise your right hand. So what else? Yes, Lara. Very good. Okay, so do not too noisy while answering the questions. Okay, good job. So now, here's the picture number 1. So now, here are the first equation in addition. So number 1, 6 plus 5. Who wants to answer? Yes, Alvi. Very good. 11. How about 8 plus 2? Yes, Lara. Very good. 10. So how about 5 plus 4? Who wants to answer? Yes, Leia. Very good. It is 9. Okay, number 4. 2 plus 2? Who wants to answer? Yes, Mark. Very good. It is equals to 4. So number 5, 9 plus 5. Who wants to answer? Yes, Alan. Very good. It is equal to 14. Okay. Very good. So now let's move on. So now I have here a picture. So class, what did you see in the picture? Yes, they have flowers and butterflies and a snail and a bee. Okay. So what did you see in the garden? Yes, they have different colors of flowers. So class, how many red flowers did you see? Yes, they have 3 red flowers. How about yellow flowers? Very good. They have 2 yellow flowers. How about blue? Yeah, blue flowers. Yes, very good. They have 6 blue flowers. So how many red, yellow, and blue flowers are all together? Yes, very good. They are 11 flowers. So now class, I have here a pictures of mangoes. So let us all count the mangoes. So how many mangoes in my left side? Yes, they have 7 mangoes. How about in my right side? Very good. They have 9 mangoes. So here here's are the equation of mangoes. So 8 mangoes plus 9 mangoes are equal to, yes, very good, to 17 mangoes. So now we're having a group activity. So I will group you into 3 groups. So but before we proceed, what are the standards while having a group activity? Yes, cooperate actively to your group mates. Okay. Now I will give you one illustration board for each group. I will show different objects each group will write the number of objects seen here in the picture. So did you understand, class? Okay, very good. So are you ready? Okay. So here are the first picture. So we have 8 balls in the left side and 10 balls in the right side. So I will count 1 to 5 and you will raise your illustration board. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Raise your illustration board. Okay. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 got the correct answer. Second picture. We're having 10 balls in left side and 8 balls in right side. So I will count 5 and kindly raise your board. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, raise your board. Okay, very good. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 got a correct answer. So the answer is 18 balls. So third picture. So we're having a 4 box and 5 box. So I will count 1 to 5. So raise your board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, raise your board. Yes, very good. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 got a correct. So now here's are the fourth picture. So they have 5 box in my left side and 4 box in my right side. So I will count 1 to 5 and raise your board. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, raise your board. Very good. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 got a correct answer. So here's are the fifth picture. So in my left side there are no hearts, while in my right side there have 6 hearts. So Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, I will count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your board. Okay, very good. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 got a correct answer. So it is equal to 6 hearts. So here's are the last picture. So we have 6 hearts in my left side, while in my right side there are no hearts. So I will count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, raise your board. Okay, very good. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 got a correct answer. So the answer is 6. Okay, great job, class. So did you enjoy the group activity, class? Okay, nice to hear. Okay, now class, if I have 8 small balls and I have also 10 big balls, how many balls I have? Yes, Donna. Very good. We have 18 balls. So, if I have 10 big balls and 8 small balls, so how many balls I have? Yes, Alvi. Very good. It is also 18. Class, what do you observe about the order of the addends? Yes, Alvi. Very good. So the order of the addends is interchange. So class, what can you say about changing of the order of the addend? Yes, Lara. Very good. So if we change the order of the addends, the sum does not change. Okay. So now class, I have here a scenario. So here are the first scenario. So Ben bought 6 black pens in the market and Maria had 1 red pens. So how many black ball pens Ben have? Very good. Ben have 6 black ball pens. So, how many red pen Maria have? Yes, Elvie. Very good. Maria have 1 red pen. So now who wants to write the addition equation on the board? Yes, Donna. Okay. Okay, thank you, Donna. Very good. So 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So let's proceed to second scenario. So this is the second scenario. So CD wants to buy 3 candies and 5 lollipops. She noticed that there are only 3 candies are available in the store. So how many candies are there? Yes, Janella. Very good. There are 3 candies. How about how many lollipops are there? Yes, Donna. Very good. There's no lollipops in the store. So, who wants to write the addition equation on the board? Yes, Lara. Okay. Okay, thank you, Laura. So, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So, class, what do you observe if the sum is 9 plus 0 is equal to 9 and 0 plus 8 is equal to 8? Yes, Joanna. Yes, very good. So when a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. So get your notebook and answer the following. So letter A, fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Number 1, 18 plus 0. Number 2, 12 plus 0. Number 3, 10 plus 0. So letter B, supply the missing number on the space. So number 1, 16 plus blank is equal to 16. Number 2, 9 plus 11 is equal to blank. Number 3, blank plus 8 is equal to 13. So you're going to answer. So I will give you 2 minutes to answer. And we will going to check this after you've done. So we're going to check your answer in your notebook. So number 1, 18 plus 0 is equal to 18. Number 2, 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. So number 3, 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. So in letter B, number 1, 16 plus blank is equal to 16. So what is the answer? Yes, 0. Okay, number 2, 9 plus 11 is equal to what? Yes, 20. So number 3, blank plus 8 is equal to 13. So what's the answer? Very good, 5. So class, what have you learned in our lesson? Yes, Donna. Okay, very good. We learned how to properly arrange the property of addition. So will you give me an example? Okay, Lara. Okay, thank you very much, Lara. So Lara drew 6 stars in left side and 4 stars in left sides. So 6 plus 4 stars is equal to 10. Okay, very good. So he drew also 4 stars and 6 stars. So 4 plus 6 stars is equals to 10. Okay, great job. So anyone who wants to answer? Okay, Elvie. Okay, thank you very much. So Elvie drew us smile face, 4 smile face, and 0 smile face. So 4 plus 0 smile face is equal to 4. And also you draw a box with no face and 4 smile face. So 0 plus 4 smile face is equal to 4. Okay, great job. Okay, class, did you understand? Okay, thank you very much. So for your assignment, you're going to write the number sentence in the space provided. So this is the number 1. So here's the number 2. And last, the number 3. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, class. So class, did you enjoy our lesson for today? Okay, thank you very much. So it's nice to hear that. So now everybody stand up and let us pray. So who wants to volunteer to our closing prayer? Okay, Joanna. Okay, thank you very much. So, bye class.